Hello everybody. Today we will learn some applications on linear equations in one variable. So to solve these applications on linear equation, what do we need to do? We need to form we need to first form the equation, right, according to the application. Then next we have to solve the equation, and we have to find the value of x. Find the value of x. And then we have to again find out whatever is required in the equation. Let's say the age of any person, or let's say the currency notes, or whatever it is. So we will see later on what this third part is all about. Now let us solve this question which says that the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples, right? Now the consecutive multiples of 11. So if we form what are the multiples of 11? Let's say all are the multiples of 11. Let's say 0. If we look at the table of 11, let's say 11 into 1 is 11, 11 into 2 is 22, then 11 into 3 33, and so on. And all these are the multiples of 11. So because over here we don't know what multiple is it is talking about, so we will say that let x is the multiple of 11 somewhere over here. We don't know. Let's say x lies over here. X is the multiple of 11. Then the next multiple of 11 will be x plus 11, right? Every multiple of 11 has difference of 11. So 11 22, difference of 11, 22 33, difference of 11. So the next multiple of 11 will be x plus 11. Again the next multiple will be x plus 11 plus 11. So this will be x plus 11 plus 11. This will be the next multiple of 11. So what the question says, sum of three consecutive multiples of 11. So this x plus 11 and x plus 11 plus 11 has a sum of 363. So my equation will be x plus 11 plus x plus 11 plus 11. This is equal to 363, right? So we have done this part. We have formed the equation. Now we will solve the equation. How we will solve the equation? Let us open x plus 11, open the brackets, plus this is x plus 11 plus 11 will be 22. This is equal to 363. So x plus x plus x, it is 3 times x. So 3x plus 11 plus 22, we will sum 11 plus 22 will be equal to 33. This is equal to 363. Again, so we will take this guy 33. This is, so see, we have formed the equation. This is the left hand side of the equation. This is the right hand side of the equation, as we have seen in the first lecture on this topic. So 3x is equal to 363 minus 33, which is equal to 330, right? Again we will move this 3 on the right hand side. So 3x equal to 330, which implies 3x equal to 330 upon, sorry, we will say, so this implies x is equal to 330 divided by 3. So we have moved 3 to the right hand side of the equation, which becomes 110. So x is equal to 110, right? We have solved the equation, we have find out the value of x. Now in the question it was asked that we have to find these multiples. So x is only one of the multiple of 11 as required in the question. So what all are the other multiples we will put? So what were our multiples? Our multiples was x plus 11, and x plus 11 plus 11 means x plus 22. These we have taken these as our three multiples. So we will put over here to find out all the three multiples, which is 110 comma 110 plus 11 and comma 110 plus 22. This is our third multiple. So 110 comma it forms 121 comma it will form 132, I think so. Yes. So this is our answer, right? Let us move on to the next question. See what this question says. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Ravi's present age? 15 years from now. So what question is asking? What is the Ravi's present age? So let us say Ravi's present age is x years. We don't know the age of Ravi, right? We have to find out the present age of Ravi. So we are assuming that Ravi's present age is x years. 15 years from now, Ravi's age. What is 15 years of, what will be the age of Ravi after 15 years? After 15 years, Ravi's age will be, it is a simple mathematics, x plus 15 years, right? Now it is saying 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age. Now this age is 4 times his present age. So 4 times his present age will be, present age is x. 4 times the present age will be 4x. This is the present age. 4 times his present age is 4x. Now 15 years of now, this age is 4 times his this age. That means x plus 15 is 4x. It is saying this age is equal to 4 times his this age, right? So we have formed the equation. Now we will solve the equation to find the value of x. We will take this x to the left hand side, sorry, right hand side. So 15 is equal to 4x minus x. 15 is equal to 3x. We will move 3 to the left hand side. So 15 by 3 is equal to x. This means x is equal to 5 years. So it is asking Ravi's present age. So we have already found the answer. This is the answer, right? So the next question. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So we will go step by step. In these type of questions we need to see what are the parts. They are in parts. So we have to identify parts and then we will solve the equation. See, find what the equation is saying. We have to find the number of deer in the herd. So let us say the number of deer in the herd is x. So there are x number of deer in the herd. Half of the herd are grazing. See, half of the herd. So half of the herd is x by 2. These are x by 2 are grazing in the field. This x is number of deer. So over here these x by 2 are the number of deer which are grazing. The remaining deer, so x minus 2, these are remaining, which are again x by 2, right? These are the number of deers which are still remaining. So out of x by 2 are grazing, these are x by 2 which we don't know what are they doing. Let's look at the question. And 3/4 of the remaining, so 3/4 of the remaining, this is the this is the remaining. 3 by 4th of the remaining is 3 by 4 into remaining is x by 2, 3 by 4th of the remaining are playing nearby, so this number of deer are playing, these are playing nearby, right? The rest 9, so again out of x by 2 these were playing, so again what are remaining deer? See what the question was saying, 3 by 4th of the remaining, so again there are some still more deers to look at, so remaining deer are x by 2 minus, those are playing, right? X by 2, this dot is a sign of multiplication, right? So remaining deer are x by 2, x by 2 minus this thing, so with what the question says, there's rest 9, so this whole thing is equal to 9. See the question says that we will look at again, half of the deer are grazing, we'll choose another red, number of deer, there are x number of deer, right? X by 2 are, these x by 2 are grazing, these are again deer are grazing, the remaining is x minus x by 2, right? Remaining deer are x minus x by 2 which we don't know what are they doing, so they are saying 3/4 of the remaining, 3/4 of the remaining means this x by 2 is remaining, so 3 by 4 of the remaining x by 2, 3 by 4 of x by 2 are playing nearby. Again still there are some number of deer which are still left, so what are the number? X by 2 minus 3 by 4 x by 2, the rest 9, say over here it is saying the rest 9, so I know that 9 is still there, so this forms an equation, right? We will solve the equation. The equation becomes x by 2 minus 3x by 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 9. So we will take the LCM. The LCM 8 to 4, 4x minus 3x is equal to 9. So 4x minus 3x becomes x. We are cross multiplying, 8 into 9 72, so we have again found the answer x equal to 32. So these are the deer which are, number of deer which are present in the herd. Okay, the next question, the denominator of a rational number. So over here we are talking about the rational number and it is going to ask about the rational number. So say let rational number is x by y, right? Rational number has this form, x by y, where y is not equal to 0. This is the definition of a rational number, any number which can be represented in the form of x by y, where y is not equal to 0. If the numerator is increased, so the question is the denominator of a rational number. So over here x is the numerator, this is the numerator and this is the denominator, right? So it is saying that the denominator of a rational number means y is greater than the numerator by 8. So y is greater than the numerator by 8. So y is x plus 8. Means x is greater than y is greater than x by number 8. So that means y should be equal to y is greater than x by by 8. So y should be equal to x plus 8. So my number again becomes x upon x plus 8. We have replaced y with x plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, it says that if the numerator is increased, so again over here this is numerator, this is denominator. It says that if numerator is increased by 17, so and the denominator is decreased by 1, so numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 8, sorry 1, it says 1 or 8, by 1. The denominator is decreased by 1, the number becomes 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So we have formed the equation. The equation has the equality sign with a left hand side and the right hand side. We will solve this equation. We will cross multiply, right, like this. So 2 will go over here, 3 this portion will come over here. So 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 8 minus 1. This forms an equation. We will open the bracket, 2x, so 2 will get multiplied with x, 2x plus 2 will get multiplied with 17 becomes 34 is equal to, let us say 3x plus 7. This becomes 3x plus 7. 2x plus 34 is equal to 3 will multiply with x, 3 will multiply with 7. So we will move 21 over here. 2x plus I think 13 is equal to 3x. 2x will move to here, implies 13 is equal to 3x minus 2x. This becomes x, so 13 is equal to x. So x equal to 13 is the, so we still have to find out the rational number. So rational number was x upon x plus 8 because this was the number. So x is 13, we will put x 13 upon 13 plus 8 is 21. So my number is 13 by 21. This is the answer, right? This was a third step. So over here we have just look at the applications to the linear equation in one variable. We have just one variable over here in all those application, just x, and we have just one solution for x, so it is a linear equation in one variable. For any queries related to the topic, related to the application, you can just post me at freemindscafe.com. Thank you.